reforms and has spearheaded the following: filing of PIL and follow-up to ensure disclosure of criminal records, assets and educational background by candidates in Indian elections, setting up a nationwide network of NGOs under the banner of National Election Watch to ensure wide availability of the data disclosed by candidates to voters. Political parties coming under the Right to Information Act and ADR database contributing to several Supreme Court judgments like disqualifying convicted MPs and MLAs, giving voters the option of none of the above, and power to returning officers to reject incomplete affidavits of candidates. Advocacy with Parliament, Election Commission and political parties to bring in a code of ethics in the Lok Sabha, regulate political parties and several other measures changes to ensure cleaner and fairer elections. Professor Sastry has been instrumental in enhancing the integrity of the election process in India. For his accomplishments as the chairman of ADR, he received the Outstanding Contribution to National Development Award from IIT Delhi in 2005. He has been selected as one among the 17 Indians listed in the World Economic Forum's Global Young Leaders for 2008 and the Times of India Social Impact Award for 2012. He is also a Distinguished Alumnus Awardee of IIT Delhi in the year 2012. Professor Sastry has been associated with various universities as a part of their faculty. These include Visiting Professor, International University of Japan, Niigata, Japan, Visiting Professor, Hong Kong University of Science and Technology and Associate Dean in Research, and Professor, Indian School of Business. He has taught a wide variety of courses in the MBA programs, doctoral programs and executive education programs, including operations management, quantitative methods, data structure, algorithms and discrete mathematics. He has also taught senior executives in India, Sri Lanka and Kenya. The Association of Indian Management School adjudged Professor Sastry the best young teacher for the year 1999. He has also published in international journals on diverse topics including operations research and supply chain management, telecommunications, software and automobile industry. He has, to his credit, a number of management cases on operations management, ethics, change management and electoral reforms. Professor Sastry is a consultant to various Indian and international corporations. He has worked with ONGC in the chairman office at New Delhi. He is a trustee of Cooperative Development Foundation, Hyderabad, and secretary of the Center for Collective Development, which focuses on promoting small and marginal farmer cooperatives. The Satyendra K. Dubey Memorial Award of the Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, is being conferred upon Professor Trilochan Sastry for his contributions in bringing transparency to public life.
It's a great privilege to be here. At the outset, I think I would like to pay my tribute to Satyendra Dubey, who sacrificed his life for fighting corruption. He has been an inspiration to us. And I would also like to pay tribute to several people around the country who may or may not be from IIT, who have done outstanding work for this great country of ours. It's an honor to be here at IIT Kanpur. I never had the privilege of studying here, but the warmth with which we were received, it almost makes you feel like you're a member of this great institution. I would just like to add a couple of things to what I think Amit said to our young friends. In life you don't always succeed. So I had a series of failures. I wanted to study computer science. I found I was not good enough. Then I wanted to study management. I found I was no good in business. You have 3 outstanding people here. Then I said I'll become a professor. I found I was not a very good professor. So then I said, kuch to karna hai life mein. So then we said, okay, kuch nahi to let us try to do something meaningful in one's own life and something good for the society. So the only point I wanted to make is that don't get disheartened by failure, because only those who fail succeed. There is nobody who succeeds without failing. And as far as the social work and other things are concerned, I would say all the 4 points that Amit made, I would personally reiterate them. I think they are wonderful points. I would just like to add 1 or 2 more to that. One is that, see, in our country today, the need is for ethics. Ethics and, as they say, be the change you want to be. So, whether you do social work or not, whether you do business or not, whatever you do, I think it's very important for us, particularly from privileged institutions, to maintain a very high standard of ethics, not only in one's own personal life, but in your career, and all of you will reach very high positions. And when you reach high positions, one of the things that happens is all kinds of temptations and compromises stare you in the face. If you can stand the test of that, then it will be a true test of character, and I hope all of you will come through that with flying colors. So once again, I would like to thank this great institution for bringing me here. It's a great privilege. Thank you.
I would like to invite Mr. Rishi to do the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Sudhir. I know it's late, so I'll make quick. First of all, thanks to the distinguished awardees for taking time out to come here, especially from Bangalore and other distances in Bombay. Aman, Rochan, and the young girls, Amit, Abhay, and dear Ravi, happens to be one of my students in one of my tutorials. It's really indeed a proud moment for me to see Naveen also attached. Congratulations to me, personally. And then I would like to thank my colleague, Sudhir Mishra, for executing this program, Professor Indralin Varna, the director, who has been running around all day in Lucknow and finally managed to come here at the right time. And I would also like to thank Nidhi. I see her there. She's the manager of Alumni Association, and Lalita is there sitting in the back. And of course, I cannot forget Professor Kripashankar. He is in the generation of my teachers. Sorry, sir. Then, of course, the institute support, which has always been there for all these functions, media, IWD, and everything else. And forgotten. Thank you. And I thanks once again for all the students who have come here and their families.